What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam, and today I have a somewhat rare treat on this channel these days. That is a plant unboxing. And I have that because of my beloved Aran Deathly, and he sent these out to me for my birthday, which was actually last month. I confused everybody in the last video, and I was like, oh, it's next week, but it was just, I had filmed that video, before, so my birthday is in June. So I thank you for everybody who wished me a happy birthday. So this is a birthday gift from him, and I'm very excited. I wanted to make sure I got this opened right away, got this filmed while it is relatively cool outside. We'll see how long. The AC is off right now. We'll see how long I last before I start melting. I hope all of you that are out in that really atrocious heat wave out west are doing okay. You know, we're having our own ups and downs here that are pretty extreme, but nothing like that. And I know you guys are not prepared for that stuff, so it's awful. So I hope everyone is well. Okay, so these plants came from Black Jungle Exotics, and they're actually here in my home state of Massachusetts. So these plants don't have very far to go. The first time that Aran sent me plants from here, he specifically picked this place, A, because they had very cool carnivorous plants, and B, because they were nearby, which means they would not be in a box for a long period of time. And we actually had a problem with the last order that he sent me, and they fixed everything. They let me keep the wrong plants that they had sent me, like the wrong plants, and they let me keep them and then sent replacements. So very, very cool. Okay, so I did not look at that invoice because I don't want to know what it is until I open it. So this is packed really good. There's lots of shredded newspaper in here, which is exciting. I'll put that in my compost. I am always happy when I do not get an entire box of styrofoam peanuts. I hate that. I know that they work good, but like, come on guys, no more of that. Unless you're reusing them, and that's okay. All right. Ooh, there's lots of leaves. Ooh, I gotta be careful. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a whole tree. Oh my god, it's huge. So this right here is an Amorphophallus. It is an Amorphophallus cognac, and it says small. So this is a big small. Some roots coming out of the bottom there. Cool. So if you don't know, if the Amorphophallus sounds familiar, it's because the famed corpse flower is an Amorphophallus. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, Aran. I don't even know where to begin with this thing. I'm gonna put it right here. That's one. This little guy looks a little bit smaller. So I am, hopefully also today, I'm gonna try to film, it should be the video you see after this one, I think it's been 3 weeks, a 3-week update of how my houseplants are doing after I have been treating them for a mass thrips infestation, which is also why I haven't been getting any new plants. I wanted to get things like under control before I did that. And I used a combination of cleaning the plants, like both with a spray and a physical lint roller on some of the tougher leaved plants. And I also unleashed a whole bunch of predatory insects. So I'm going to talk about that in the next video and give you guys a little tour so that you can see, you know, how things are going. And I will give you a slight spoiler teaser that it's going pretty well. So thank you for everyone that took pity on me for my plant atrocities. Oh, I'm very excited. Okay. So this right here is a Quisnelia Mamarata, I can't see it. Yes, which is a bromeliad. So it's a Quisnelia Mamarata. Ooh, so cool. A little bit of dirt in here. I'll get you out of there. Okay. Oh, it's so like curly and weird. Cool. All right, so let's give you guys a little look-see. A little focus for you. There we go. Look at her. Wow. So Aran and I actually, we filmed, we kind of had, like, we tried to film like a little bit of a like video kind of podcast together about bromeliads and stuff, and eventually we're going to redo that. But Aran got me pretty into bromeliads, and I have been definitely lustfully looking at some. It's so cool. It's like very Seussian. I like that. So this guy has an edible corm, which is a bulbous tuber. It is also known as the voodoo lily, and that seems to be what it's commonly referred to on quite a few Google hits here. It is native to China. And I will show you, this is what it looks like in bloom. Hopefully you can see that okay. Very cool. So I'm going to pick Aran's brain on how to keep this happy and alive, and I will give you guys an update on how these plants are doing in a few months. Let's look up what this one looks like when it blooms. So this one's common name is Tim Plowman. So this has a, when it flowers, it gets a tall spike, which is comprised of a pink bract and blue flowers. Here's a photo. This is from Ken's nursery. Can see the flowers on this plant. Super pretty. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you, Aran. These are amazing and different, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna make an effort if I'm going to be, well, I'm slow collecting plants from here on out, but as I slow collect plants, I'm gonna try to like find some things that are just a little weird and different, and I'm a little bored with shopping for the same kinds of plants, frankly. So if you want to check out Black Jungle Exotics, they are at www.blackjungleterrariumsupply.com, and they're here in Massachusetts, and they do have a whole bunch of funky plants. They have aroids, they have all kinds of terrarium plants, carnivorous plants, so it's definitely a cool website to get on the mailing list and just keep an eye on, because you never know what you can find. They're definitely charging, you know, the market price or whatever for the more in-demand aroids right now, but it's still totally worth keeping an eye on their other selections, because they have all kinds of stuff, jewel orchids and, like, you know, things that are difficult to find on some of our plant websites right now. Have a small little cart on their website going right now just because I want to restock a couple terrariums here. So I will let you guys know if I do end up getting more plants from them, and I will unbox it here on the channel. So just a quick video today. I wanted to say hi, show you guys what Aran so thoughtfully got for me, and yeah, that's wonderful. So thanks for all the love on the last video. If you didn't see it, I will link it up here and you can check it out. It is long, but we go into lots of information about pests and plant care and plant overwhelm and all that stuff. So all right, guys, that is it for me for right now. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.